guys, welcome back to the show. My name's Joseph Earl McPeek's Esquire III, and we're happy to bring you a brand new show, okay? We're going to have to do some work tonight, and there's, what it is, folks, is, the time has come to fix physics, okay? We're going to do it. We're going to do it together. We're going to fix physics. And we're going to make t-shirts that says fix physics. We're going to do much more than that. We're going to prove to you that light does not move. Okay? Let me just try to make it as quick as I can because it's going to take forever to get through to people. Okay? Einstein was wrong. I'll tell you right where he went wrong. And it's not really his fault, you know. He's just making ideas and thinking like everybody else did. So, but the thing is that Einstein made the speed limit at the top and called it c, right? The constant, and made light speed a constant. That was wrong. Okay, what else was wrong is he took the Minkowski 3D cube and planted... Wait a minute. I don't like that trash. And he planted time inside of the Minkowski cube and called it 4D. Okay? That was wrong. Why? Just a minute. Get back to where I was. Okay, this is fine. All right, so, folks, listen to me. Einstein took 4D and stuck it right in the Minkowski cube, and that's what ruined everything. Because light does not go 660 million miles per hour. Why? Because his speed limit was the wrong thing to put in the upper right hand of the graph, okay? So guys, I've made these deductions. I've not used math. I don't use math, guys. I don't use clocks. I don't use time, and I don't measure space with time. Okay, in my book, light is 0. Okay, so therefore, time is irrelevant because you are in 4D space, and time is nothing but a shadow that drags behind. Okay, that's 5D. You, as a human being, are above that. You are 4D. Okay? You are an operator. You do not need time. You do not use time to measure. Okay, so here's the thing, folks. There is no time dilation. There is no gravity. There is no grooves in space. There is no rubber sheet. Okay? There is no rubber sheet. There is no black holes. You know what that is? Here, let me turn this down a little bit. Those are black squares. How dare I say that, right? Those aren't holes, they're squares. They're Minkowski cubes that are broken. Okay, here's what happened to physics, folks. Einstein stuck 4D on the Minkowski cube when it was just fine how it was, okay? And he kept chasing time. He kept chasing shine. He kept going... Measure this. You can't measure that. Guys, look. This is what he wanted to measure, but he couldn't because it doesn't move. And he kept saying, light moves, light moves, light moves. No, it don't. No, it don't. No, it don't. Matter moves. That's why it bends. Because light is still. Okay? It's true. Light doesn't bend around the moon or around the sun. You know what that is? That's orbit. You got the Earth going this way. You got the sun going this way. You got the moon going this way. And then you had the sun and the moon going that way. And what happened is the light did not bend. No, the orbit of the matter bent, just like my hand's going right by this light, right? Okay, look. Look. It's the same thing, folks. Right here. Boom. Does light bend around my hand? No. It doesn't have to, man. Light doesn't bend because light doesn't move. And I hate to get all deep on you guys, but here, we're going to switch this song. I love that, though. Damn, boy. Boy! Alright, what's this one? Oh, I like this one. It's called Elephant Man. Alright, so, getting back to the subject. Guys, this is how I think it works. Light don't move. Einstein put C up here at the wrong part of the graph. He needs, instead of it being the limit, the top, he needs to put it down here, guys. Boom. On the zero. In the zero of the graph. That's the new C. It's called zero. That fixes everything. So now, not only have I fixed science, I have retrofitted Einstein's equation. Instead of E equals MC squared, no, that's wrong. It's now E for everything equals MCP squared. That means the photon is zero. Photon equals the new C. Okay. Now we can also talk about photinos. What are photinos? You see, light is complicated. It's not just one thing. Light propagates. It's electro-matter interaction, okay? So, light will not light unless there's matter to interact. And when that matter interacts with light, just like this, guys, it goes like this. It goes in a perpendicular fashion, and it goes. That's light, okay? The lattice itself doesn't move, but the propagation does. You see, light cannot light without matter. Do you see this light right here? If it wasn't for the matter moving in front of it, it would not light, okay? No, I'm not. I'm even talking about the filament and the electricity in the filament. If there was no matter, there's no light. If there's no movement, there's no matter. And if there's no matter, there's no movement. And if there's no movement, there's no light. And if there's no light, there's no movement. And if there's no matter, there's no... It's like rock, paper, scissors, guys. And this has been a master's physics class, and I'm really trying to hone in on you and let you know that light does not move, but its prop does. Okay, think of it like this. Light is a huge lattice. It's all lattice. It's little marbles. Little tiny marbles. And they don't move. but it's matter moves through it and lights it. So it's propagation. Think of it as an airplane prop flying out of the hangar, but light's photons stay back. Light's photons don't move. No, they don't. No, those are the particles. The photons are the particles. Yes, they're discrete, and they have a whole electromagnetic separate colors in the visible spectrum. And light has a black band, and light has a red band. Okay, the black band and the red band. The red band is the leading edge, and the black band is the ending edge. Okay, so it's like a bubble. And thank you guys for watching. We had a great time tonight talking about physics and light, and my new thesis is a radical new theory, and I hope you like it because I think it's right. I really do. I really think it's right. Light don't move. Only matter can move. So there's light, there's matter, and then there's the shadow. And we'll talk more about that and how dark matter is shadows and dark energy is unlit regions of space that haven't been lit up yet. Why? Because there's no matter there. You see, in order for light to light, it needs matter to come through it. And if there's a dark region in space that's unlit, that means no matter has gone through there yet. That's dark energy. Okay, that's potential. Now, the afterlit shadows of these regions where huge amounts of matter have already gone through, though, that's dark matter. Those are shadows, okay? And we'll try to talk more about it later, guys, but thank you for watching the Masterclass in Physics and Astronomy and Cosmology. I'm your Professor Joseph Earl McPeek, Esquire the Third, having a great old time. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. We'll talk more about it soon. Remember, guys, light don't move. And think about it. Why were they looking for limits? Why were they measuring limits? Beats me. But Einstein's biggest mistake was thinking that light moves at 600. But he wasn't the only one that thought that. But then he messed up the Minkowski cube. You see, I left it alone. And I realized if something lights and has a shadow, that means it has a story. That means it's real. Anything that has a shadow means it's real, guys, because you can never get behind a shadow. The shadow can only be behind you. And that proves that light don't move. Okay? Thanks, guys. We'll talk more about it later. Really appreciate it.
Let the music flow, Joe, flow, Joe, flow, Joe. Let the